everybody! Today I will show you how to prepare a low-carbonara, a carbonara spaghetti made with zoodles, the famous zucchinis. So let's see how to prepare this classic Italian dish, but LCHF, low carb, high fat. These are the ingredients: zucchinis, of course, and today at the local farmer's market I found yellow ones too. Then you will need 1 entire egg and 1 yolk. Classic carbonara uses guanciale meat, but I like also pancetta or, in this case, smoked speck ham. Finally, you will top with grated parmesan cheese, and you will need for the seasoning extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. Let's start by washing our zucchinis, then cut both their extremities. The order of these two steps is very important because only washing them before cutting the extremities will keep all the flavor of your veggies and also the right consistency. They won't be watery. My husband just bought this Zoodles machine. In Stockholm I have just the sharpener, this one that you can see in my Instagram pic. And I have to admit that it's a tough arm job, so I'm really happy to try this new tool. As you probably notice, these stick very firmly to the surface, so it will be easier to turn the handle and to shape our zoodles. But this is not a comfortable handle. Probably I forgot one piece. Nope, it's already broken. But you know that we never give up, so I will sharpen my zucchinis no matter what. Zucchini are a great keto vegetable because they are growing above ground and they are green. These two easily recognizable characteristics tell you that they are low carb. Zucchini are listed in the top 10 ketogenic veggies, together with cauliflower, cabbage, avocado, broccoli, spinach, asparagus, kale, green beans and Brussels sprouts. As you can see, all green, all delicious and all low carbs. So have fun with the recipe. But now let's go back to our zoodles. Let's put some of our good extra virgin olive oil in two different pans. One, it will be used for the spaghetti, and the other one for the crunchy bacon or pancetta, or as I'm using today, speck. That is a special ham that comes from the Alps, and it is smoked. Look how beautiful it is. It's a true pity that you cannot smell this ketogenic deliciousness. But let's go on with our recipe. The main secret to get great zoodles is to drain as much water as possible from the zucchini, so we cannot boil them in salty water like normal pasta, but we should cook them in some oil at medium heat. Today we have a huge quantity of vegetable spaghettis. Well, actually they look more like tagliatelle. So we will cover the pan with a lid in order to cook also the ones on top. While we are waiting for our zucchini to cook and for our speck to become deliciously crunchy, we can prepare the eggs. As I told you before, we will need 1 yolk plus 1 entire egg. So here they are. For an extra touch, I highly recommend to add some pepper to your eggs because that's a secret ingredient in every good carbonara. In normal carbonara, we are supposed to add raw eggs to our pasta because the high temperature of the spaghettis together with some boiling water will be enough to form a cream, a delicious cream. But in this case, I don't need any liquid on our zoodles because I want them as dry as possible. And for this reason, I will scramble the eggs in the crunchy speck. My goal to have dried zoodles is also the reason why I didn't put any salt. Remember that salt always makes your veggies more watery, so most of the time it's really better to add it at the very end of your cooking. So now it's the right time to add some flavor to our zucchini because they are ready to be eaten. Let's prepare our plate with the zoodles, our homemade super sauce and a sprinkle of olive oil that, as you already know, is one of the best ketogenic ingredients. This is grated parmesan cheese, simply because we all love it, but on true carbonara you are supposed to put grated pecorino that has a stronger flavor. But before eating, I'd like to show you all the people in the street, because it's a special day, and if you will watch the video until the end, you will understand why. It's a big surprise. I really hope you like today's recipe and you will consider subscribing to my channel. See you here with a keto video in English every Monday, but also with the same video in Spanish on Wednesday and in Italian on Friday. See you next week! Yes, we are in the center of the city, downtown. We are in Bergamo, Italy. And yes, these are cows and also a few horses. I told you this was a surprise. You can see also some farmers, cheese producers and a lot of happy kids. I really love how modern this city can be without forgetting our most ancient tradition. Every year in Bergamo they organize this unusual event, so we won't forget that every fall cattle were used to walk from the summer pastures back to the farms to get ready for winter.